What was the line nga, Miss Shirley?
Sa totoong buhay naman, nasabi na ba nila yung line na to na I can't help falling in love with you?
Okay.
Everything to share.
In real life, nasabi mo na DJ said, I can't help falling in love with you.
Hello. Oh, matagal ko na yan.
Ay!
Matagal na. Yun lang.
Kaya, nasabi mo na rin ba, I can't help falling in love with you?
Oo naman.
DJ, oo naman.
Kasi ang pangit ko nasabi ng DJ, tapos hindi mo pala nasabi.
Nasabi naman. Hirap-hirilan ang gusto lang namin.
Miss Shirley, si Matreya daw. Nasabi mo na ba, can't help falling in love with you? Every day yata nasasabi mo yan. Shit! Nasabi na madalas, Shirley.
Si Linda na